This is how to check your account number on the FNB app in South Africa. Stay with me until the end so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Open the FNB app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Bank. You'll now see a list of all your FNB accounts. Tap the account that you want to check the account number for. At the top of the screen, you'll see two tabs, Transaction History and Account Options. Tap Account Options. Your account number will appear near the top of this page, just below your card image, along with your balance and available balance. If you want to share your account number, scroll down on the same page and tap Account Information. You'll now see a screen called Account Details, where you can view your full account name, account number, and branch code. At the bottom of this screen, there's a Share button that lets you easily send your account details if you need to. And that's it. That's how you check your account number on the FNB app in South Africa. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more helpful banking guides.